Hello guys, so we're back with Left 4 Dead 2 Survival. Guy just shot me in the face for no reason. Probably because I didn't come down to save him, just because I was getting killed, so I couldn't do anything. So obviously, lesson here. Everyone, well, I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, that's more of my... Get off that minigun. That's mine. Okay, let's keep... Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry I stopped talking for a little bit. All my fault. Whoa. These people are jet lagged. Get... No, dang it. No way. There's no way. Oh, you guys not gonna save me now? Oh, that's nice to know. Oh, great. Oh, come on. Oh, Popo, rescue me. If I see him coming up those stairs, the tank, I'm gonna be so mad. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh shoot. There he is. That's not good. Is he coming up? Oh shoot. How did he do that? How did he do that? How did he do that? Oh, dang it. I'm the last one. Okay, so we can try that again. We definitely have to try that again. That was a fail. Okay, so this time, don't get those. No, so let's just plant those all around. Destroy that. Love destroying those. Okay. Okay. So I think we're pretty much all set. As long as someone starts it. As long as someone starts it today. If you know what I mean. Anyone? Start. Okay, it started. Okay. Alice is dead. Okay. Oh, dang. Did the tanky have anger issues? Oh, shoot. I don't see no tank. There's our friend. There's our friend. Get off. Get off right now. Get off right now. Okay. That was pretty good. I think we did a lot. We made no improvement at all. Well, there's my dead carcass, so see you next time.